morning. I'm Macy with your KYA 3 news. We had an amazing first day of KYA, folks. It was packed full of events, right, Averill?
Yeah, I had to skip lunch.
The things we have to sacrifice for the betterment of the world.
We had some great candidates present their platforms, though, after Governor Amar's press conference.
There is no comparison, vote for Garrison.
Remember, vote Libby Rain to save the day.
And hustle, hustle, vote for Bessel.
Remember, don't look back, vote Shaq.
You know the drill, vote for Lil.
Vote JZY, she's good as pie.
Remember to plant your vote in Arden's garden so we can tend to the seeds of democracy together.
Don't dally, vote for Al.
Hi, my name is Joy. My slogan is Big Ollie, vote for Mom.
I hope everybody voted at 8 p.m. and I can't wait to see the results of our democracy.
But enough about changing the world, democracy, the fate of our generation, blah, blah, blah. Let's check out the fun reel.
When you won't take it from me, you can go your own way.
With the weird logistical spaghetti that we just seen,
is there anything that you missed from real life KYA?
You.
Oh.
Would anyone like to give a speech in opposition to this bill?
In all seriousness, though, we were impressive today. We ruled the Zoom stage in the Supreme Court, the Bluegrass and Commonwealth Houses, and
What are some of the best moments from Supreme Court?
Well, the whole role of the Supreme Court is interpreting law, and my particular role is to advise the governor in a way to find the constitutionality within the bills that are trying to be passed by our legislators.
I've done KYA for a generally short time, since sophomore year, really. But I've overall enjoyed it. I've done Supreme Court last year and this year, and I was a delegate my sophomore year. I really enjoy communicating with people, especially in Supreme Court. I enjoy the debates that we have, and yeah.
Office. It really is a unique program within KYA that these students wear a number of different hats and proceed with a pretty rigorous intellectual set of tasks over the course of their time. So.
And here are some moments from the Bluegrass House and Senate.
Democracy should not be made available for one, it should be made available for all.
This past election, there was no question of widespread voter fraud in the state of Kentucky. There might have been in other places, but people were not worried about it in the state of Kentucky.
I strongly urge you to vote in opposition of this bill because though the bill sponsors have good intentions and the efforts are positive, the bill does not seem to be very feasible, and there's little information on how schools will actually obtain these items or how the law would actually be enforced. Overall, the bill just doesn't seem very well planned or thought out, so I urge you to vote against it.
I urge you to vote in favor of this bill because homelessness is an issue that greatly impacts Kentucky. By providing resources for students, we help them not only physically but mentally. The accommodation of students experiencing homelessness will improve their education and overall livelihoods.
And here are some moments from Commonwealth House and Senate.
So since the bill sponsors have technically already accepted the amendment as friendly, we will now vote on the amendment.
So do the bill sponsors accept this amendment as friendly?
Yes, we'll see this as a friendly amendment.
All right, so the yeses have it. This amendment has been adopted.
We ended our day of work with a closing session filled with the beautiful emotion and wisdom from our presiding officers.
I cried.
Fight for what you believe, make your voice heard, and never, never let someone tell you that you can't make a difference because you are a child. The time for change is here, and it waits for no one.
I couldn't find myself, but I found the why. The why helped me discover myself as a person and gave me the initiative to pursue the things I'm passionate about and make new friends and be the person that I was destined to be. And to quote Michael Scott, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, Michael Scott. Thank you.
been a long day.
But a fun day.
What better to close us than our mandatory fun, huh?
Don't you mean optional fun?
That's an oxymoron. Let's see what partying on Zoom looks like.
And if I could be any hat, I feel like I would be a very, very large, like, sombrero.
Thanks for sticking with us, KYA3.
Peace out.